Teal Jones originated when Jack Jones returned from the Second World War and used his army stipend to create a one-man mill. And as he had children, it turned into a one man with 3 boys running around the forest to find the fiber to supply the mill. Dick and Tom continued to move forward in their father's vision of creating value-added product. We've got over 1,000 employees in British Columbia, half of which, 500 or so, are working on this mill site that we're on today. There's up to 7 different processing facilities within our main facility here, taking everything from a shake and shingle mill to our large log, to our small log mill, to our value-added manufacturing division.
90–95% of the volume of our business is with repeat customers that are over 10 to 20 years relationship.
You can take a beautiful, big, large tree and turn it into many different things, but what do you do with the fall down? What do you do with what other people would call waste?
Once the log's into the mill, we produce lumber, and the byproducts, our developing products, are chips and then hog fuel. The chips will go to pulp mills, made into pulp, and the pulp will be made into all kinds of products. Paper towels, toilet paper, medical masks. Every part of the log is utilized.
We've got well over 18,000 different products that we create in this mill site alone.
There's so many things you can do with wood, you just got to have a vision.
There's not very many mills in the world that do what we do. We have people that are walking back and forth through the waste conveyors, and any piece of wood that can be turned into another product is pulled out of the waste conveyor and put into another process.
It's helping the entire community. There are literally thousands of people that are attached to this company in a small way that make a part of their living from us.
We're one of the very few manufacturers on the coast that have made the commitment to keep every log that's harvested that we harvest, and as well as we purchase on the open market, to keep it in British Columbia so that we can continue the value-added process.
If you go down to your local lumber place, you might see some of this lumber that came from our mill.
Different customers have different end-use needs, and we can try to accommodate them as best as possible, right? So they don't have a product that they can't use for what they need.
As our industry has matured, so has our standards, and so has our understanding of the different aspects of doing good forestry.
There's no sense in cutting corners when it comes to environmental stewardship or standards. You know, we got to do it right.
We have been, and will continue to be the original environmentalists. So when we go in and we harvest a tree, not only are we harvesting it, we're cleaning up after ourselves, and then we're going in and replant. We replant 3 trees for every one.
The ownership has been nothing but great to us. They have done anything and everything to keep us working at all times here.
They're out here with us trying to make this work every single day.
The sawdust runs through their veins, and they're very committed to the sawmilling business here, just like their father was when he started the business in 1946.
We're always looking at different ways to make sure that the environment comes first, and we'll continue to do that as we move forward.